All right, today we're gonna have a multiple hitch. All right, this is a multiple converter switch hitch. All right, it comes with an actual clip, so you could clip on the rope, or if you're gonna pull something heavy, you can do that. Or if you want to secure something that you're already hitching, you could actually hook it up in here as an extra precaution too. So the whole thing, entire thing, it's very heavy when you get out of the box, but they give you a lock, they give you all the pins that are required. So we're gonna set this up right now and see how it works. All right, first of all, they give you the pins, 2 pins for the actual hitch part, and then this is for the actual main hitch that you have to do. But they give you a extra, if you guys see, washer, plastic washer, so it will move, it will rattle when it's moving because it might be different dimensions. You get a cap here that pops open. So they give you 2 keys. All right, simple opening, and then of course you got the washers that we have in here. If you have a lower car, you can always switch it to the top if you want, but today I'm gonna put in the first level. All right, right now we just set up 1 pin so you guys can see it. Could be easier for me to remove. You got that hook here with the lock here in the bottom. I'm gonna put the dimensions of the different sizes because this is 2 and 5/16, all right, and then it goes all around to different sizes. We're gonna put in the description so you guys can see it. But this thing is super duper heavy duty, so if you want to put it even deeper, you can even go deeper. I still have 1 extra hole in here, so if you want to have it extra security and won't break apart, you can do that. But I'm gonna show you that you could lift it to different levels too. All right, and I do have 2 pins, so just hold on to them when you're actually pulling them out. All right, we could go to the lowest one if you want, so make sure you could do a pair of 2s. All right, as you can see, that's the lowest level we have. We're gonna twist it now. You got that level, you got the side hook. All right, take them off, go to a different level if you want. You could go back to the other level, the lower level, and then when you put in the mid-range. So you got all these levels to make it on. All right, so this thing's really secure, really strong, plenty of options for those that are looking for something that they're not familiar with. If you buy different attachments for it, they're all different sizes. This is going to prevent you from making a mistake, different purchase. This is universal. It's a 2-inch entry with the hook, an extra hook, which I like, very handy in case you don't have anything to secure a chain on in your back of your car or bottom. You can always secure it through the hook as an extra precaution. So if you guys are looking for something like this, hope you guys enjoy the video.